What's up, guys? Tia here from Tia and Andy, and today I am super excited because we are launching a new series that's going to be covering some really interesting topics. Our new series is called Too Afraid to Ask, and we're gonna cover the things that people might be too afraid to ask. Specifically in regards to the outdoors, camping, van life, adventuring, hiking, anything really travel related that you might be too afraid to ask, but you need some answers.
All right, on this episode of Too Afraid to Ask, we're all talking about poop. Because everyone has got to poop, it doesn't matter where you are. And sometimes when you're in the middle of nowhere, in the forest, you still gotta go, and you just don't have all those luxuries with you. So today, we're gonna talk about a product that will help you pop a squat in the middle of the forest so you can take a shit. Don't you just hate it when you can't hang on to anything, you can't pop a squat, or you always need somebody to come and help you poop? Well, introducing the Hovermaster 4000. Yeah, this is actually the name of the product. So Merlin sent this to us, and it's literally genius. It solves all your problems when you're trying to poop in the woods.
And the best part is that it is super simple to use and super compact. This is the whole product, and it actually folds down even further and can be shoved into a carrying case in case you're bringing it in your backpack on a hike while you're camping, anywhere that you're gonna be outdoors and might need to go to the bathroom. All right, so actually using the Hovermaster 4000 is super simple. You'll see that there's a zipper that goes all the way around the product, and all you need to do to start is unzip it. It's gonna open like this, and there's two portions on it. You have a portion that has pockets, and right now they're upside down, which is fine. And then you have a portion that actually has a strap in it. And this strap is what you're gonna use as your leverage to use the Hovermaster 4000. So you've got a long strap and you've got a short strap. Your short strap is all Velcro, and it's what's actually going to allow you to connect your long strap to it. Now, the whole idea behind the Hovermaster 4000 is that it's going to let you basically hover in your squatting position. So instead of having Andy hold my hand for like 20 minutes while I go to the bathroom, the Hovermaster is going to do that for me, which I think Andy would be pretty happy about. All right, enough talking, let's get this set up. All right, step number one is to find your leverage point. I'm in a forest surrounded by trees, so my leverage point is gonna be a tree, and I think this one right here looks pretty good. Step number two is to make sure that there's nobody around, because you don't want people watching you while you're going to the bathroom. And step number three, much like any time you're going to the bathroom in the outdoors, you're gonna wanna dig a hole first. The last step here is to just get the Hovermaster 4000 set up around the tree that I chose, and it's super simple. I'm just gonna take my long strap, and at the very end of my long strap, it's actually another piece of Velcro. It's basically the other side of the Velcro that you need for your short strap. So I'm going to bring the strap around the tree, and on my short strap, you'll see it opens. I'm going to place the long strap Velcro right in between. Now, this double-sided design that they've made here is really good. We've tested it a couple of times, and it holds a good amount of weight. So it's a really great design that they kind of double Velcroed this. And that's it. You basically have this set up. All you have to do is get into it. Now, a couple things to note. You would have dug a hole on the ground. So number one, don't twist your ankle as you're getting into the seat. Number two, make sure that this is actually high enough up that you're not going to go to the bathroom on it. And tip number three is to make sure that your pockets are actually packed with your sanitizer or wipes and toilet paper. Otherwise, you're gonna be in a really icky situation. And basically all you do from here is hover.
And there you have it. Yes,
I know, it's really just a piece of fabric sewn on to a bit of a strap, but honestly, let me be super serious and super real. When you are talking about things like going to the bathroom, you really don't want anything super high tech and connected to Bluetooth or something. You want something super simple but super reliable, and that will just get the job done. And the Hovermaster 4000 will definitely do that. When we started building our van, literally the number one thing that we had to solve was, well, first of all, we needed a place to sleep. But the number two thing that immediately we went to solving is, where do we go to the bathroom? And okay, we have some stuff that we can use, like a bucket with a seat on it, but a lot of the times we will be trying to take advantage of the great outdoors. And honestly, Merlin reached out just in time, and I think this is going to be a terrific addition to take with us on our van life journey. It's compact, it's small, you can store everything you need in it, and it's super low tech and super reliable. Really looking forward to using this actually. So, you know, thanks for Merlin for sending this out to us, and I can't wait to take a great outdoors.